Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and here, and if you are a new viewer on my channel, hello girl and welcome to my channel. I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel because I do upload beauty videos every single week. So for today guys, I wanted to try something different. So I actually asked the help of my friend Sarah if I can try to do this look on her because she doesn't want a girly makeup. So this is what it turns out. Hopefully you guys will like it and you will continue watching this video.
Hello, my loves! Hello, world! Hello, my loves!
I am letting her clean her face using Giggle's wet wipes. To thoroughly clean her face, I'm using the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. Then next, I am applying the Nurturing Force Blot Out Offensive Shine Oil Control Cream to prime her face. Then I am using the RCMA 6-part palette as her foundation, and I am mixing Shinto 2 and KO2 to achieve the perfect shade for her skin tone. After that, we are going to add highlight and contour on her face using Graftobian Derma. Then I'm setting everything using the RCMA No Color Powder. To bronze and set the contour on her face, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlight and Contour Kit in the shade Medium to Tan. To fill in her brows, I am using Intuit Waterproof Eyebrow Color in the shade 01, and I'm using the same concealer to clean and highlight her brow bone. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the Morphe Kathleen Lights palette to create a black smoky eyes. So the first thing that I did is to add the mustardy brown shade as her transition color on her crease. Then I applied the black eyeshadow on her entire lid and blended out with the dark brown eyeshadow in the palette. So I just keep on building up the color until I achieve the perfect black shade on her eyes. Then I did the same thing on the lower lash line of her eyes, and I applied the Tarteist Silk Eyeliner in the shade Black to her waterline to further define the eyes. Then, of course, we have to curl her lashes, and I applied the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara to add volume and length to her lashes. For her lips, I wanted it to look natural as possible, so I used the KGM Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Girl Talk and applied the NYX Mega Shine Lip Gloss on top of it. So that is it for today's makeup tutorial, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for you to become a part of my beloved family. Again, thank you so much for your support and love to me, and thank you for continuously watching my videos. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget what I always say to you guys: don't let your dreams just be dreams, make your dreams possible. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.